Ladies and gentlemen, I am back and better than ever. And I hope you are doing super duper great and fantastic because Asteroid Fight Club, you light up my life. Super happy Jupiter opposition to y'all. And that is when Jupiter lines up with Earth and the Sun. And then exactly 1 week from today, we will have Saturn at opposition with Earth and the Sun, which seems sort of super very fitting for this planet parade where we have all the planets on the same side of the sun. And I've been calling for an uptick in earthquake activity and volcano eruptions for the next 2 or 3 years. And hey, guess what? Due to the big earthquake in Nevada like a month ago, and then like a year ago, the big earthquake in California, scientists have said the chance of a big San Andreas quake increased by the Ridgecrest tremblers. That's correct. The big one, chances of a major California earthquake triple. So definitely take your severe weather watch up a notch for earthquakes and volcano eruptions in 2020. I'll cover this story more because I got a lot to cover now. Due to the sun waking up and coronal mass ejections, we've been getting hit by a solar storm. And super cool Dr. Tamitha Scope letting us know the solar storm looks to be hitting now, and we have sustained southward field. Aurora is possible, especially at high latitudes, due to substorming. And so, even mid-latitudes could see. And we have definitely been seeing an aurora parade over the last 24 hours. But let's summarize. We have NEOwise, the comet. We have Steve, that purple arc, and Aurora, all the colors of the rainbow. And a meteor. Does it get better than this, baby? Maybe if I was holding your hand. But yeah, the auroras have been incredible. And Comet NEOwise has been incredibly impressive. One of the most impressive comets of my lifetime. I hope you get a chance to see it. So the solar storm has just really made life more interesting, entertaining, and more beautiful. Because the sun, like Jupiter, is our protector. How's the weather, you might ask? It is hot and steamy. Records have been breaking in the south and southwest. It has definitely been hot and foggy in some areas. We've definitely got a couple spots to watch for severe weather today. I'm talking like Iowa, Missouri, Colorado, Nebraska, Oklahoma, Texas, and we've been having a lot of severe weather lately. And then tomorrow, we've got even more chances for tornadoes, hail, straight line winds, and general WTF. At this moment, hurricanes seem totally under control. I'm not that worried about anything in the next week, though some people are saying that could change in the near future. Like, for example, Hank Sugar here, and Dulce means sugar in Italian, I think. There's an interesting absence of the Tut, King Tut, right now, spawning ULLs, which is upper level lows, in the deep tropics. This is atypical for July. This pattern is akin to 2017. What? With negative zonal wind anomalies aloft. Another sign that a busy MDR is coming once again. The dry air is removed from the picture. And so, a lot of people are saying that when the dry air and dust conditions drop and the wind shear lowers, we're going to be in for a deadly and damaging hurricane season. Though I have some faith in atmospheric defense, Asteroid Fight Club, and the Prayer Warriors. But I will keep you guys updated either way if we start to see any major signs. But for now, I don't see anything super big and major that I need to be red alerting about over the next week. China's been getting hit super hard by weeks of torrential rains have caused the worst flooding in China in recent decades, destroying the homes and livelihoods of millions of people as the country struggles to revive an economy battered by the coronavirus pandemic. And so, it's a pretty bad situation here. Often when China and Asia get hit with major floods, about a month later, we get hit with major floods. So we will have to watch to see if that trend holds, and I'll keep you posted. Anna Maria Lungo is letting us know we have extreme wildfire in the Arctic Circle, and it started more or less a month ago. And so the Arctic has been having some major fires. Major fires, dude. Really bad stuff, which is very interesting. And also, I think it's interesting that the Arctic looks a lot like Saturn's moon Titan, you know? Weird. See that giant purple ribbon in the sky? That's Steve. Steve's cool. Okay, great. Check out this cool look at Comet NEOwise brought to us by Corey Powell. The left image shows dust, and the right image shows sodium atoms. Man, I love salt, you know? Especially if you're going to be quarantined. What better thing to have around than a lot of salt? That way, you can retain a lot of the moisture inside your body, if that's your thing. But apparently, this nucleus is pretty dang big. And that is why this comet has put on such an interesting, fascinating, magical show for the skies, for people lucky enough to see it. So beautiful, interesting, and fascinating. Check out this super cool filamenty explosion happening off the sun, brought to us by industrial engineer Irene Quiores. That's pretty cool, man. Yeah, so hopefully the sun's going to start waking up, because empires fall during a solar minimum and rise during a solar maximum, and I'm tired of falling, bro, you know? Pluto's trying to shave the pitch off my Jupiter vibes, but I'm not having it. I'll do a video later on just Comet NEOwise and just the auroras, because the solar storm has made everything more interesting and impressive. Daily heat records have been being broken in Texas, and I can verify it's been pretty hot. We're talking record-breaking temperatures recorded in Amarillo, Lubbock, Midland, San Angelo, Del Rio, and the San Antonio. And super shout out and thank you, especially to the Texas Angel, San Antonio's Angel, Maria, Avery, Lois. Y'all have been super duper fantastic. I love you guys, all of Asteroid Fight Club. You guys have been so good to meet. Whoever sent me the pineapple and the strawberries, like, man, with all the goodies. You guys are just so cool. Thank you. So I'm going to do what I can to keep doing what I do, if that's okay with you. Over the last 2 days, I've been watching, I got Disney Plus. I watched Iron Man 1, Iron Man 2, Avengers 1, Avengers 2, and then I watched The Old Guard. I highly recommend them all. The Old Guard is on Netflix, and Palm Springs the movie. So, it was good stuff. It's always good to laugh and watch good cinematics. And thank you to the sun for providing us excellent optimal optics. It may take me a while to get my sense of humor back, but until that happens, I'm bringing you so many pretty pictures, baby. Yeah, we're starting to see a whole lot more filament action, and that is exciting. If you love high boobs, man, have I got a story for you. The monsoon season is supposed to escalate in the southwest, bringing gusty winds, dry lightning, fire risk, beneficial rain, local flash floods, and dust storms. So, you could be getting some big high boobs in your face, bro. Congratulations. And don't get it twisted. High boob is a total science term. You're welcome. And I'm grateful. All right, so everyone stay cool, stay calm, do your best to stay strong and make it through 2020. Only got like halfway to go. I want to say I love you. Thank you guys to everybody out there. I'm going to get back in the saddle, and I'm going to shake off all the dust and bring you guys tons of awesome, excellent information to the best of my ability. I love you. God bless you and everyone on planet Earth. Peace out. Stay cool.